Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to download YouTube application on your smartphone. To download and install the YouTube app on your smartphone is pretty easy. Whether you are using Android or iOS, follow along till the end. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device's operating system. Now in the search icon, go ahead and type down YouTube. In the search result, look for this application from Google and tap on the download button or the get button, or you can also spot this cloud icon, simply tap on that. Now wait for the application to install. Once installed, tap on open to start using YouTube. Now that the application is installed on your phone, you can get ready for watching videos, subscribing to channels, and uploading contents. Log in with your Google account to sync your subscriptions, playlists, and history. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.